Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Again, I'm Mark Jumbaldo from Solid Investment Realty. And for today's video, we're here at Havila. By the way, Havila is owned and developed by Philinvestland Incorporated. So ito yung premier township nila here at Rizal. Sobrang laki nito guys, nasa 300 hectares siya. At sa sobrang laki niya, actually nakakasakop siya sa 3 towns dito sa may Rizal, which are the Taytay, Antipolo, and Angono. So for today, iikutan natin yung mga available Philinvest inventory. So samahan niyo ako guys. Let's go! Yes, sir. So, ganito yung offer dito, guys. We offer yung nature-inspired and modern living na fusion nila. Ano. So, dito, very relaxing. We have a stunning view. And syempre, perfect ito kung gusto mo ng peaceful na pamumuhay together with your family. Okay, first on our list is itong sa Amarillo Crest, Block 12, Lot 3. So, ito po siyang lot na yan. So, mula dyan, sa guhit na yan, until dito. Yan. So, 12 meters yung frontage nito. So, napakalaki. And kagandahan dito, we have overlooking view dyan na Metro Manila skyline. Yan. This property costs 8.3 million. Yan, pwede siyang cash or bank financing. Hanggang doon pa yan. Ayan, hanggang dito yan. Hati yan sa gitna. Ayan, pag ganyan siya. And then, malapit lang din to sa amenity area, which is andun yung amenity area natin. Then, meron tayong viewing deck doon sa taas. Yan yung overlooking view niya. By the way, itong Block 12 Lot 3 is 180 square meters. So, napakalaki niya. So, perfect na din to kung gusto niyo ng malaking bahay like 5 bedrooms. Next on our list guys is dito pa din sa Amarillo Crest. Block 13 Lot 6. So, for this one, 226 square meters siya. Ito, patag na tong lote na to. Yan, meron din siyang overlooking view. Diyan din. No? Yan. So, from here, yan, dito pa siya. Nasa 12 square meters din, 12 meters din yung frontage nito. So, up to here. Yan. So, from here, hanggang dito. Tapos, kalahati niyan. Yan yung property natin. 226 square meters. For this one naman, this costs about 10.2 million. Yan, pwede din cash or bank financing. So, yan. Maganda dito guys, sobrang tahimik. And then, konti pa lang din yung mga bahay at napakalaki ng open space na very refreshing talaga or rejuvenating kung tayo is galing sa work. Yan yung overlooking view natin, no? Ang ganda. Another available dito sa Amarillo Crest is itong corner lot, Block 11, Lot 3. So this is a 328 square meters, 16.3 million. So ayan siya. Ito, napakaganda na itong corner lot na to. So from here, dyan, tapos hanggang dito yan. Yan, pag ganyan yung inyong lote. Diba? So napakalaki na ito guys. So madami kayong pwedeng paggawa. Yan yung mga sample ng mga bahay na dito. Diba? Very modern. Then, fusion na siya. Nature-inspired yung ating community. Then, modern houses yung pwede nyo ipatayo.